Hello, how are y'all doing today? Today we'll be ripping a cab off a 6030. What you see here is the G6 we got from Newman's. I'm just using it as an intro.
I was pretty impressed by it.
Like that.
It won't come out, Rob. The way they got it hinged, the roll bar's right against it, and that thing would have to fold down. That is stupid. I wouldn't have known that.
Well, I guess we can flop it straight up.
If it'll do that either way, I mean, that'd be cut the hinge and take it off. It don't matter to me. Hey, how you shut it off? Look at that. This thing lasts for hours.
Yeah. I actually forgot one of these under a T-tractor. Put the belly pan back on. Got home that night and realized that I'd forgotten it, and had another service call in the area the next day. Went back, stopped, and took the belly pan off, grabbed my light. It was still light, still on.
Huh. You can see both top. They're cutting something out, but I don't think you can slide that thing out of it. When it hits them. I just thought that would have been made to just come down.
Well, we'll just flop it up and use a
If we have to.
forklift to lift it off. And I was asked Gil about what, can I use a piece of shaft or that square tubing or something to go across the front here to lift, like that square tubing there, or
I think it'd be.
something 5 feet long.
That's leftover barrel train pieces there.
Okay.
I think that'd work fine.
Okay. Well, I'll still have to cut the power to it.
The
And
way that's made, do you think that? I don't think it will come out unless it flips down. I thought they had that. They don't have. You can't slide it off or nothing. I guess you're supposed to knock the pins, but
yeah,
it ain't coming out.
they're not.
You'd have to just cut the whole thing.
No,
off.
we'll just flop it straight up. It'll be fine.
I think it will.
Yeah.
As long as we don't bust the window.
Yeah.
Because the window's still good.
I told Gil he should sell this on eBay. Some collector will buy it.
Maybe.
Maybe for
Dad
parts.
said something about getting another cab for it, and I said you'd have a fortune in getting it here if you would. You could probably find a real nice one out there if you wanted it.
That's the thing. The only reason we're doing this is because, well, the axle's bad.
Sound guard cab on it.
That's what I told.
Sound guard cab, that's an idea. That's exact. Pretty soon we'll be ready to take the cab off, so stay tuned.
ride as it is.
That did take a while, but we finally got the cab off.
Lift this off with.
Take it off as a whole unit with a final drive?
No, I mean if we have to stand it on end and then try and fight with these wedges, it's going to be easier for us to.
Well, they do have never seeds all over.
Do they?
I put them in there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, let's take them off then.
I know probably come loose. But you want to back up and try to get some water out of it before we.
Doesn't matter, I guess.
That's a lot of weight right there.
Okay.
I can back it out. I can just keep putting some air in it, let it at least get most of it out.
So we did.
That's also another reason we took the cab off, was because of the axle. Axle bearing's bad. Not terrible.
Yeah.
But the cab's gone, and the tractor will be converted to an open station model, so no air conditioner, but no hot days in the cab. Oh, and I'm officially changing its name from the Heck Wagon to the Open Wagon.
But we'll have it off, and then we'll know what the overall length is.
There's some John Deere wheel wrenches over here somewhere. Where they were at.
Now we're raising the tire up off the ground to let water out. Because we gotta pull the axle off. Looks different without a cab, don't it?
Special John Deere wrench, Gil. Look at that. Look
Special.
at that. Look
I've
at
never
that.
seen another one.
Watch out behind you.
I do know process.
John Deere rack and pinion wrench.
I do know I've never seen another one.
And it's not. I think it's moved over because it ain't.
Was
It went a little ways.
Yeah, we'll just take some.
All of a sudden it ain't working.
Yeah.
It moved. Yeah, I made a mistake. I beat on them too hard with the hammer.
I never do that.
Yeah.
Just think of something that makes you mad.
See it moving?
no. No, I don't see it moving.
Taper lock. It's one of the seminars we went to is Albert Orr, Renaissance Tractor, and he talked for 20 minutes about taper lock hubs.
Oh, really?
We'll leave this on. Now that we have the tire off, I can show you why we had to take the tire and wheel off. This axle, see that? It's done. But the axle's as long as a pogo stick. We got the axle housing off and got the axle apart.
This one is 47 and
Clearly that's a bad sign.
47 and 7/8.
Here's the whole assembly. Now, this mostly,
The other one's that much shorter, I could care less.
this looks good. There's doesn't look anything wrong with this. All the rollers are intact in this bearing. Here's the inside of the axle. But the confusing thing is, all the rollers are in the bearing. Why is this roller right here?
That's the Gil. This is the inner bearing. Inner bearing, outer bearing.
Yeah, and where's the outer bearing?
So what left of it, Gil? Ain't nothing left. That was the broken ring.
If there's no outer bearing, that means the axle's gone. And this is also
brake just felt fine.
sideways.
That grooves in it or something. Yeah.
We got the axle off, and I don't know if we'll need a new axle, but we'll sure need new bearings. We got the axle housing off and got the axle apart.
This one is 47 and
Clearly that's a bad sign.
47 and 7/8.
Here's the whole assembly. Now, this mostly,
The other one's that much shorter, I could care less.
this looks good. There's doesn't look anything wrong with this. All the rollers are intact in this bearing. Here's the inside of the axle. But the confusing thing is, all the rollers are in the bearing. Why is this roller right here?
That's the Gil. This is the inner bearing. Inner bearing, outer bearing.
Yeah, and where's the outer bearing?
So what left of it, Gil? Ain't nothing left. That was the broken ring.
If there's no outer bearing, that means the axle's gone. And this is also
brake just felt fine.
sideways.
That grooves in it or something. Yeah.
We got the axle off, and I don't know if we'll need a new axle, but we'll sure need new bearings.
Here, that's been rubbing.
I'll talk to you in a couple hours.
Does that tell us that the axle's ruined? And let's take a look here at the. That's the outside of the axle. Now, if the housing's off, we can actually get a good look at
Yeah, if
the
he don't,
inside.
if he may not respond to me today because he told me he's not working. I'm going to be with my daughter. So if he doesn't, I'll just plan on going down the first of next week to get him running.
That don't look good.
You can see where the end of that short shaft was rubbing for a while.
I don't think it'll hurt it any,
No.
but I want to get it apart.
I ordered all of that, everything.
Yeah, I never changed this triangle, and I thought, well.
That's going to do it for this video. I hope you enjoyed and like and subscribe. This is my dad's Caterpillar Diesel 35 he got from Newman sale. You'll see a future video on this, so stay tuned.